Have you ever pondered what it would be like to accumulate wealth and achieve financial independence? To build a fortress of assets that work tirelessly for you night and day, spinning the wheels of fortune in your favor? Imagine a life where the incessant need to earn is replaced with the art of managing and multiplying your wealth. Intriguing, isn't it? Today we will dive into the 8 assets that can make you rich and not have to work again. Asset 1, real estate. A classic route to wealth accumulation. Real estate in its simplest form involves purchasing a property, whether it be residential or commercial, and profiting from it. This could be through rental income, where you lease the property to tenants, or through appreciation, where the value of your property increases over time. The beauty of real estate is its potential for high returns. Depending on the location and the timing of your investment, the returns can be substantial. But remember, like any investment, real estate isn't without its risks. Economic factors such as interest rates, inflation, and the overall health of the job market can greatly affect the profitability of your investment. However, with careful planning and strategic decision-making, real estate can be a profitable venture. It's a tangible asset, something you can see and touch, that can provide both income and appreciation. Real estate, a tangible asset that can provide both income and appreciation. Asset 2, stocks. Ownership pieces of companies. Now, let's move into the realm of stocks, shall we? Stocks, in the simplest terms, are shares in the ownership of a company. They represent a claim on part of the company's assets and earnings. Imagine holding a slice of a giant corporate pie. As the company grows and flourishes, so does your slice. That's the beauty of stocks. You're essentially a part owner of the company, and your wealth grows with the company's success. But it's not always a smooth sail. Stocks come with their fair share of risks. The value of stocks can fluctuate dramatically, influenced by economic conditions, company performance, and market perception. There's a potential for high rewards, yes, but also for significant losses. One must tread carefully, assess the risks, and make informed decisions. Despite the risks, stocks have proven to be a fruitful investment over the long term, often outperforming other assets. Stocks, a path to wealth through company ownership. Asset 3, bonds, a loan you make to an organization. Now let's delve into this a bit more. At its core, a bond is essentially an IOU issued by a corporation or government entity. When you buy a bond, you're essentially lending money to the issuer. In return, the issuer promises to pay you back the full amount of the loan, plus a bit extra for your trouble. This extra is called interest, and it's paid to you on a regular schedule. Bonds are often seen as a safer investment compared to stocks. Why? Because they provide a steady income stream. As long as the issuer doesn't default, you know exactly how much money you'll receive and when you'll receive it. This predictability makes bonds an attractive asset for those seeking stability in their investment portfolio. So, there you have it. Bonds, a stable and predictable income source. They may not be as flashy as stocks or real estate, but they're a reliable workhorse in the financial world. Asset 4, mutual funds, diversification made easy. Let's delve into this fascinating world of mutual funds, where diversification is not just a concept, but a strategy. Mutual funds are a type of investment vehicle consisting of a portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. They're managed by professional fund managers who allocate the fund's assets to produce capital gains or income for the fund's investors. Think of it as a basket of various investments, allowing you to spread your risks across different assets. This diversification reduces the potential for massive losses tied to a single investment. You're not putting all your eggs in one basket, so to speak. And let's not forget their potential for growth. Mutual funds, especially equity mutual funds, have the potential to yield high returns over the long term. This makes them an attractive option for individuals looking to grow their wealth over time. In essence, mutual funds offer an easy and effective way to diversify your investments. They offer exposure to a wide range of securities, managed by professionals, and have the potential for growth. Mutual funds, an easy way to diversify your investments. Asset 5, small businesses. Be your own boss. Let's delve into the allure of owning a small business. Now, small businesses are a unique beast. They're unlike any other asset class because they offer a level of control and potential wealth that's truly unparalleled. Imagine being in the driver's seat, navigating the course of your own financial journey. You're not just a passive investor, You're an active participant. You're steering the ship. You're the one making key decisions that directly impact your bottom line. But bear in mind, with great power comes great responsibility. The success of your business rests squarely on your shoulders. It involves hard work, calculated risks, and a dash of entrepreneurial spirit. However, the rewards, they can be immense. Small businesses offer the potential for exponential growth and can serve as a stepping stone to creating generational wealth. In essence, owning a small business isn't just about making money, it's about creating value, driving innovation, and making a tangible impact on society. Small businesses, a direct route to financial independence? Asset 6, intellectual property, capitalizing on creativity. This is the realm where ideas take shape and form, birthing innovations which can change the world. You see, intellectual property isn't just about patents and copyrights. It's about the power of the mind, the power of creativity, the power of innovation. Imagine creating something truly unique, a novel concept, a game-changing invention, or a captivating story. Once you secure the rights to your creation, it becomes an asset that can generate income through licensing, franchising, or even selling. Take J.K. Rowling, for instance. Her intellectual property, the Harry Potter series, has earned her billions. Or consider the inventors of everyday items like the Post-it note or the Rubik's Cube. Their simple but brilliant ideas have reaped immense financial rewards. Intellectual property is the gold mine of the mind. It's where creativity meets commerce, where imagination fuels wealth. Intellectual property, where creativity meets wealth. Asset 7, commodities, investing in physical goods. Now, commodities might sound like a term straight out of an economics textbook, but they're simply the raw materials that power our world. This includes everything from gold and oil to wheat and coffee beans. In the grand waltz of global economics, commodities play a crucial role. They are the building blocks of the goods we consume daily, making them a vital part of economies worldwide. As an investor, when you put your money into commodities, you're essentially betting on the demand for these resources. The potential for return, quite substantial, but remember, the commodity market can be volatile, much like a stormy sea. Prices can fluctuate based on a myriad of factors, from geopolitical tensions to weather patterns. This makes commodities a high-risk, high-reward asset. So if you're the daring type, ready to ride the waves of market volatility, commodities might just be your cup of tea. Commodities are tangible investment with global impact. Asset 8, digital assets. The future of finance. The world of finance is in constant evolution, and digital assets represent its latest frontier. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have stormed onto the scene, offering the potential for high returns for those brave enough to venture into this volatile market. But it's not just about cryptocurrencies. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are redefining what it means to own an asset. Whether it's digital art, music, or even virtual real estate, NFTs are providing a whole new avenue for wealth accumulation. However, just like any investment, these digital assets come with their own set of risks. The market's volatility can lead to significant losses, and security concerns pose an ongoing challenge. Despite these risks, the potential rewards are too enticing for many to ignore. With the right strategy and a dash of courage, digital assets can be a game changer. Digital assets pushing the boundaries of traditional finance. We've explored the 8 assets that can lead to wealth and financial independence. Let's take a quick jog down memory lane. First up, we delved into the world of real estate, a tangible asset that can provide both income and capital appreciation. It's the stalwart of wealth generation, a classic choice for those seeking financial freedom. Next, we ventured into the domain of stocks, the share certificates of companies that offer a piece of the corporate pie. It's a game of patience and resilience, requiring astute decision-making and a keen eye on market trends. Then we touched on bonds, those interest-bearing securities that promise regular income and the return of principal at maturity. They're the slow and steady runners in the race to wealth. We also spoke of mutual funds, the pooled investments that offer diversification and professional management. They're the team players in your wealth-building game, spreading the risk while striving for gains. Small businesses, our 5th asset, bring the thrill of entrepreneurship. They require sweat and grit, but can reward handsomely. We then looked at intellectual property, the intangible assets that can generate ongoing royalties. They're the creative minds in the wealth race, turning ideas into income. Commodities, the seventh asset, are raw materials or primary agricultural products that can be bought and sold. They're the wild cards, influenced by global events and seasonal cycles. Finally, we discovered digital assets, the new age wealth generators like cryptocurrencies and digital art. They're the sprinters in this marathon, volatile yet potentially rewarding. Remember, the path to wealth is not a sprint, but a marathon. Choose your assets wisely and enjoy the journey to financial independence. That's it for our guide on the 8 assets that can make you rich. We hope you found this video informative and insightful. If you did, please hit that like button. It helps us create more content like this. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who might benefit from it. The path to wealth is often a shared journey. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to the Abundant Insight channel. We have a lot more insightful content on personal finance, investing, and wealth creation coming your way. Thank you for watching, and remember, the journey to wealth starts with a single step. Until next time, keep investing and stay financially savvy.